Hey guys, it's Damian. I'm back with another one. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this AirPod Pro 2nd Gens from DhGate. Starting with the packaging, it comes standard like every AirPod that you get from Apple, even with the pull tabs coming off easily at the top and at the bottom of the box. Once that's out of the way, you are greeted with the Design by Apple in California paperwork that gives you instructions on how to pair these AirPods and how they basically work. And not to forget, you get the AirPod Pros themselves right in there. Apart from the AirPods in the box, you are greeted with the USB-C to USB-C charging cable that's braided and the extra ear tips that help with the right fitting in your ear. And here we have the AirPod Pros themselves. They do feel great, weight is on point, get the USB-C charging port at the bottom, and you have the lanyard inserts right at the side of the casing. Pairing these was as easy as anything you can do in life. You just gotta open them. It will show you the menu to connect. Hit connect, then you hold on the pairing button at the back of the AirPod case, and once that's connected, it will give you more info like the battery percentage and the name of the AirPods if you want to change that as well. As I did say, this is going to be an honest review. I did try to check the serial number on Apple's website, but sadly it didn't pop up whatsoever, but I think it's just the review unit that I got from the vendor. And now let's talk about the sound quality on these AirPod Pros from DhGate. Well, I can say that these sound amazing, even way better than my AirPod 3s that I got from Amazon. All I can say that give these a shot, link will be down below in the description. And all I can say is that even ANC and transparency work flawlessly on these units that I got. I got in the car and played with it a little bit more, and transparency and ANC work so well that when I turned on ANC I couldn't hear anything, not even the engine running as well. But sadly spatial audio doesn't work. With my honest review, I'll give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. Link will be down in the description, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.